everyone, welcome to lesson today. This is for grade 6 children in information and communication technology. This series of lesson is designed to identify the problems. At the end of the lesson, you will identify the problems and you will identify the process of problem solving as a series of steps. Okay, let's solve the problems. We have problems to solve at different times. Also, you have many problems to solve at different times. What are they? Sometimes at school, sometimes at home, sometimes at shop. Especially when you are learning mathematical problems. We face various problems like this. Now we are going to talk about a simple problem like this. Problem 1. Friends have come to your home, so you want to give a cup of tea for them. That's a problem. That's a problem for you. It is a problem for you because it's not done before. Right? Let's solve the problem. Let's see what you need to make tea. You know, you want sugar, also want tea leaves, and you need hot water to pour the tea. And we need a jug. To mix it all up. We need a cup of tea to serve. First, we have to put the raw material in one place. After that, put the ingredients in a jug and mix well. When mixed and strained, you can get a cup of tea. Our problem is solved. Before solving every problem, we need to know it well. Before solving a problem, we must analyze it. Each and every problem solving has input, an output, and a process. Input is needed to solve the problem, and process, the way of solving the problem. After that, output is the result. After the problem solving, the result after the problem solving. Let's identify the input, the process, and the output used to make the tea we talked about earlier. What is input? Sugar, some tea leaves, boiling water, a jug, a teacup. That is our input. What is process? Put sugar, tea leaves, boiling water into a jug. Stir well and strain into a teacup. That is the process. What is First, you need to figure out what it takes to find the area of a rectangle, its length and width. We need the length and width this rectangle. First take the length and width together. After that, multiply the length and width. Then we get the area of the rectangle. Let's identify the input, process and output of the area of the rectangle. Input is length and width of the rectangle, that is input. Next one, process. Multiply the length and width, that is process. Next one, output. Output is final result, the area of the rectangle. Okay, we discussed the problems we face in normal life as well as in school. Further, we learned about input, output and process separately. Problem 3. Find the average of 5 numbers. Now you know there are 5 numbers. You need to find an average of 5 numbers. Firstly, we should decide what do you need to find the average. What do you need to find the average of 5 numbers? What do you really want? It's numbers. First we take the 5 numbers.